Welcome back to Unbound Abroad, where we journey around the globe to find the perfect spots to escape the rat race and live life unbound. Today, we're headed to the vibrant, dynamic heart of Mexico, Mexico City. We're going to delve deep into the cost of living in Mexico City, exploring specifics about housing, food, transportation, and internet. We'll break down everything you need to know to decide if Mexico City could be your next digital nomad destination on today's episode of Unbound Abroad. Mexico City, a sprawling metropolis with a population exceeding 21 million, is known for its lower cost of living compared to many U.S. cities. Your dollars stretch much further here, enabling a comfortable lifestyle surrounded by rich culture and historical heritage. Mexico City's cost of living is not just affordable, but it also allows for a high quality of life. Here, you can engage with a thriving art scene, immerse yourself in diverse culinary experiences, and explore historic sites dating back to Aztec times, all without breaking the bank. Housing options in Mexico City are as diverse as the city itself. Whether you're a fan of modern architecture or prefer the charm of more traditional structures, you're bound to find something that suits your taste and budget. For a modern, one-bedroom apartment in a trendy neighborhood like La Condesa or Polanco, expect to pay as low as $500 per month. If you prefer more space or have a family, a traditional two-bedroom house in quieter, family-friendly areas like Coyoacán might cost you around $800 per month. These prices include amenities you'd expect, like utilities and security, and often even a cleaning service. Food is an integral part of Mexico City's cultural experience. The city's culinary scene ranges from street food stalls to high-end restaurants. Street food, such as the popular tacos al pastor, can be enjoyed for less than $1 per taco. Made with succulent pork, pineapple, coriander, and onion, served on a small tortilla, this dish is a must-try for any visitor. For a sit-down meal in a mid-range restaurant, expect to pay between $10 to $15. Here, you can sample a wide array of Mexican cuisine, from the spicy and savory to the sweet and tangy. For a high-end dining experience, expect to pay between $40 to $60 per person. Navigating Mexico City is relatively easy, thanks to a variety of affordable transportation options. The city boasts an extensive metro system, one of the largest in the world, with a ticket costing less than $1. Taxis, too, are an economical option, with a 10-minute ride typically costing between $2 to $4. Buses are another popular means of transportation, with fares starting at about 50 cents per ride. For longer distances, Mexico City also offers intercity buses and trains, providing comfortable and efficient travel at a reasonable cost. In today's digital age, staying connected is crucial, especially for digital nomads. Mexico City offers a range of reliable internet options. A standard home Wi-Fi package can cost around $20 to $30 per month, while a cellular data plan with unlimited data could set you back between $10 to $20 per month. Numerous cafes and co-working spaces around the city also offer free Wi-Fi, providing a change of scenery and a chance to socialize with fellow digital nomads. In summary, Mexico City presents a tantalizing option for digital nomads. With its vibrant culture, affordable lifestyle, and rich history, it's not hard to see why many nomads are drawn to this city. It's a place where every street corner has a story to tell, every neighborhood has its own unique charm, and every meal is a culinary adventure. And if you ever need a break from work, the city's lush parks, fascinating museums, and vibrant nightlife offer plenty of options for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're just starting your digital nomad journey or have been living the unbound life for years, Mexico City is a destination worth considering. That's it for this episode of Unbound Abroad. We hope you found it both insightful and informative. If you've lived in Mexico City, visited as a digital nomad, or simply vacationed in this vibrant city, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite things about Mexico City, or or any tips you might have for future visitors. And remember, if we choose your location for our next episode, you'll get a shout out in our video. So don't be shy about suggesting new destinations for us to explore. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Until next time, keep exploring, live life unbound, and remember the world is your office.